Hello everybody, so in today's video I am going to be reviewing the Ohuhu fine liners. So the plan for today is to just draw on the first page of my sketchbook because I just got a new sketchbook, and I am going to be doing a very line heavy drawing. It's going to be like a welcoming page, and I'm only using my fine liners with the exception of possibly a gray marker. So this is the drawing that I am going to be doing, and I'll be putting it on the first page. Alright, so I think I can go ahead and get started with sketching. Alright, so first of all, I'm super sorry if my voiceover voice is annoying. I'm kind of sick, so my voice is really annoying, but I need to do this voiceover so I can get this video out. So, first of all, if you see like a bunch of eraser shavings and markers already out and all that, which you do, you know, if you pay attention, you're gonna see, that is actually because I did this video, like the same exact video, literally 5 minutes before doing this. Okay, no, that makes absolutely no sense. So I tried to film this video and I filled the first page of my sketchbook, but I hated how the first page turned out. So I ripped it out and then I filmed this video again. Alright, so now that we've got that out of the way, I was actually really excited to try out these fine liners. I really have been wanting to try them out for so long, but they've been out of stock. So finally they were in stock. Something really quickly I want to mention is if you are interested in buying the Ohuhu pastel markers, they recently came out with some pastel markers, then there is a really good deal going on. You can buy a bundle on Amazon of both the fine liners and the pastel markers, and it'll only be $50, I believe, which means the fine liners come out to be only $5 and they're originally $10. So just a little quick tip, if you ever want to buy those markers, let me know if you guys want me to do a review on the pastel markers, because I think that'd be really fun, but let me know if you guys would watch that. Okay, so now to the fine liners. Now they came with like a really good assortment of different sizes. I believe it was the 0.05, the 0.1, the 0.2, the 0.3, the 0.5, the 0.7, the 1.0, and the brush tip. And I feel like that was just such a good assortment. Like, they left out the ones that aren't really that popular among many people, and they added the ones that are really important. And when you can only jam like 9 fine liners into one pack, the fact that they did it so perfectly, you know, was just amazing. So that was something really important that I needed to mention. Now, the barrel itself is really unique because with most fine liners, they don't really have like a rounded top, if you can see what I'm talking about, but these did, and I actually liked that. They were also a lot shorter than most fine liners. Most fine liners would be a bit bigger, like, I don't know, these were probably like 5 inches when you took the cap off, and normally they'd probably be like 7 inches with the fine liner, something like that. I'm probably getting the measurements all wrong, but the comparison is what I'm talking about. And so that was kind of weird for me because I'm used to longer fine liners. It wasn't something that I necessarily found annoying or bad. It was just an observation that I made. Something we need to talk about though is how much ink these liners had. Like, for example, with my Bianio fine liner, sometimes it can get annoying, like after I use it for a long time, or like certain angles, it just won't sit right or like won't work right, if that makes any sense. But with these liners, like, this is maybe like a week after filming the video, and I have been using them so much, and they still have so much ink, and everything is just so perfect about them. And I will have to admit, like, that's something that is really amazing, because I think fine liners is kind of annoying when you're always having to buy them. Like, you keep needing to buy more and more because either they won't work or they ran out of ink. But with these Ohuhu fine liners, I know that they're going to last me a while. Like, they were really good quality, and the ink was so black. Like, the camera did not do it justice at all, but in real life it was so black and so perfect. These were definitely comparable to like Pigma microns, Sakura Pigma microns, which was really amazing, and I genuinely really enjoyed using these fine liners. I usually like get annoyed when inking. I don't really like inking, but for the past week or so, like, I literally look forward to the inking part, which is like really weird and not usual. But yeah, I definitely really enjoyed these. I think my favorite tips would have to be the 0.7 and the 0.05. I don't know why. I feel like the smallest and the biggest are just great for me. Also, for the 1.0, most of the time they just give you a bullet tip, but this one didn't feel like a bullet tip. It felt like a legit fine liner, but just had a really big tip, which was really, really great. And the brush tip is also just amazing. So yeah, that was my review on the Ohuhu fine liners. I actually really enjoyed using them, and they were not only fun to use, but also really good quality. So 10 out of 10 would recommend.